Hi, my name is Brian Scott, and I'm going to be showing you how to navigate Canvas. The first thing you're going to do is log on to ACES and then go to the right. It will have Canvas student resources, and then click the Canvas. It will bring you to this page, and the first thing you'll see is dashboards. So this will be your courses right here. You want to click on whichever course. The home page will usually be different for every course. This one is basically like modules. They put the modules as the homepage, but you'll have these tabs right here, and these are the important stuff you're gonna want to get to. First thing you'll see is announcements, and in announcements you'll get messages from your teacher. So let's say you have a test, and he wants you to study a particular chapter. He'll send it through the announcement. Or let's say for some reason the teacher gets sick and can't make it to class that day, or y'all have a Zoom class, he'll put it in announcements. Under announcements, you'll see assignments. These are basically your assignments. If you want to skip that past the information before it, then you can go straight to assignments. Under assignments, you will there's discussions, and in discussions, it's basically like interacting with your class. So right here, they had some questions posted, and I had posted my answer. I had to respond to myself, but let's say this student right here posted his answer, and a student had to respond to it for the assignment. So that's what a discussion is. Your grades right here. Uh, these are your grades, and these aren't always perfect, of course, because this says missing, but I have a 92. So it's up for the teacher to update it, but it'll give you a pretty good idea of what you need. People, let's say you need to talk to a teacher. Um, you can find the teacher right here, and this teacher doesn't have his information, but they'll usually have some type of contact information underneath the links, like his email and stuff like that. Syllabus. The syllabus is like basically like your just like for your class, like your like it's a syllabus for your class. So there you go on the syllabus. Your quizzes. These are all the quizzes. The modules. This is probably going to be the most important thing. The thing you're going to use the most. Right now, like the modules, basically, like we went over assignments earlier, and it just showed you the assignments. The modules also give you the material as well as the modules in a order to visit. You see how it has the review for phase one, and then it has the phase one exam. That's basically what modules is. And then also there is the student material book. So I don't need a book for this class. So it says you don't need this, but I do need one for my history class, and it's Give Me Liberty in American History. It'll be underneath the Alamo book digital course material. You click it, and then you have to go find that book material. I show you how to find it in ACES, my ACES walkthrough, so you can go to that to find it. After that, you can go to the to calendar, and this will give you your due dates and stuff like that. Basically, like a calendar to follow for your assignments. Underneath the calendar is inbox, and this will be basically how to contact your teacher if you need something. Let's say you're confused about some material and need to set up a Zoom call. You can contact them through your email. Just find their email and then just um, so if you need to contact your teacher, you can write them an email. So click right here, click on favorite courses, and then teacher, and then be like, hi, I'm lost. Exclamation point. And then just boom, just tell them how you're lost, and that way they can contact you and show you what to do. See, I was contacting this teacher. He was telling me, telling the class to do an honors code, stuff like that. Yeah, and then I just want to show you this one last thing. So as I was saying before, like each homepage is usually going to have something different. Some teachers want to put in more effort into the homepages than other teachers. While that teacher had like just a syllabus or just the modules as a homepage, this one she put in a lot of effort into it. So, but the the things I show you are the same. Like for example, modules completely the same. Announcements. I haven't started the class yet, but it will be the same. Digital books, the same. And that's it for navigating Canvas. I hope you have success in your journey.